Yeah, grump loop noise. This is exactly what's ruined our car audio experience most of the time. And today we're gonna go through the tips and tricks how to avoid that and make your car sound like never before. First and the most important, of course, good quality on the RCS cables. So please make sure that you're always gonna run true OFC cables in your car. Either way, it might ruin all your experience. But that was too easy. And another couple of really important tricks about the RCS cable is just to simply keep them as far as you can from your power cable. So the best scenario, of course, if you can run, let's say, RCS on the driver's side and the power cable on the passenger side. But in some cases, it's just simply impossible. So the only thing that you must to avoid in case if your power cable and the RCS cable are gonna run together is to make any loop across the power cable. So this way pretty much gonna build kind of antenna or grump loop noise booster, and it's definitely gonna sound really bad. Now, how the installation might cause the grump loop noise in your project? So simply in case if you decide to mount it straight to the car body. So always use some surfaces that are gonna be between the car body and the amplifier as of wood or plastic. And if the bias noise still exists, just try to add secondary ground to your car chassis. They also might help in some cases. And if you watch this video till this moment, most likely you still experience buzz noise problem. So the next step and last joker that we have in our pack is just simple RC filter. So you can go with that one. And if all those steps above did not work for you, probably you're running Brazilian amps. And in some cases, sorry guys, but we have to deal with that.